There are not many individuals in the crypto local area who have not heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto in passing. The well-known mysterious maker of Bitcoin and the world's greatest cryptographic money have interested many individuals and propelled a ton of noticeable digital currency defenders. The reality of the situation will surface eventually whether it can at any point accomplish such aggressive objectives. Yet in the event that it does, it has every one of the opportunities to turn into the following number one digital currency. Nonetheless, while making a Bitcoin SV cost gauge, we ought to take a gander at its basic worth right now and assess its possibilities without depending on the plausibility that BSV will turn into the best and most mechanically progressed digital money one day. Here are our Bitcoin SV cost expectations for the next few years. As usual, if it's not too much trouble, recollect that the items in this video don't comprise monetary exhortation. The digital money market is exceptionally unstable. In this way, all Bitcoin SV value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. Make sure to do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any computerized resources. Bitcoin SV's motivation is to turn into a more mechanically progressed digital currency than the first Bitcoin, meanwhile staying consistent with the first thought behind the cryptographic money. It is a hard fork of Bitcoin money, which was forked itself from Bitcoin back in 2017, being enthusiasts of the first Bitcoin convention. BSV makers in the local area all object to the progressions made to the BTC blockchain, similar to the execution of SegWit or the Lightning organization. Bitcoin SV utilizes the verification of work agreement calculation and can be dug for benefit, very much like the first Bitcoin. Diggers can pick the size of blocks they need to mine, with greater blocks giving better yields as they contain more exchanges and, thus, more exchange charges. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin SV costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin SV will be $61.26. The greatest level that the BSV cost can reach is $74.20. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $63.03. Possible return for capital invested, 67.9% by BSV value figure for January 2023 in view of the value changes of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $46.46 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $42.47 and at $47.78 individual. Expected return for money invested, 8.1% by February 2023. Bitcoin SV value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the BSV cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $46.08, while the most extreme could reach $49.64 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $47.85. Expected return for capital invested, 12.3% by BSV value gauge for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Bitcoin SV in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal BSV rate they anticipate may be around $49.76 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $47.55 as a base. The greatest worth may be $52.02. Expected return for capital invested, 17.7% by April 2023. Bitcoin SV value gauge around mid-year 2022. The BSV cost will be exchanged at $50.75 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin SV worth to $54.02. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $48.55 in April 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 22.2% by BSV value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitcoin SV costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $52.78. The most reduced and top BSV rates may be $51.01 and $56.55. Possible return for capital invested, 28% by June 2023. Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the BSV cost will be around $53.84. In June 2023, the Bitcoin SV cost might drop to at least $52.07. The normal pinnacle worth may be $58.67 in June 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 32.8% by BSV value conjecture for July 2023. Having dissected Bitcoin SV costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BSV rate could arrive at a limit of $61.36 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $53.14. For July 2023, the determined normal of Bitcoin SV is almost $54.91. Possible return on initial capital investment, 38.9% by August 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate around mid-2022. The Bitcoin SV cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $57.11. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the BSV cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $55.34 and $64.10. Likely return for money invested, 45.1% by BSV value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Bitcoin SV worth won't dip under at least $56.48. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $66.39. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $58.25. Likely return for money invested, 50.2% by October 2023. Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of BSV costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Bitcoin SV will be around $69.30, with a chance of dropping to at least $58.37. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $60.58. Likely return for money invested, 56.8% by BSV value gauge for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $61.79 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $60.02 and at $71.73. Separately, likely return for money invested, 62.3% by December 2023. Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the BSV cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $61.26, while the most extreme could reach $74.20 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $63.03. Expected return for capital invested, 67.9% by Bitcoin SV value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin SV in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitcoin SV will be around $89.07. The greatest expected BSV cost might be around $107.82. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $91.59 in 2024. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin SV in 2025, BSV is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $132.44 and $154.52. Separately, the typical expected